Okay, we're going to fly the Ares Ethos HD on a windy day. I mean, it's really windy. See my flag flying over there? Hope you do. I can't tell what this camera sees. Let's bind her up. Okay. Tried flying a while ago using the camera that came with this thing, and I don't know, I'm not too fond of that battery. Built-in battery. Last flight I almost lost it. She almost went into those trees over there. And that was, I didn't have the rate set at 100%. I might try 100% this time. Let me get over here out of the sun. The one has a habit of swirling through here. Go ahead and set the rate 100%. I see that, I guess. Fighting the wind right now. Bring her down. I don't want her up that high. Oh yeah, she can handle it, no problem at all. I mean, it's windy. It's actually making the quadcopter rise. You see the wind hit it? Oh yeah. This is a hell of a quadcopter. I love it to death. Put the wind blower back. Oh yeah, she flies fine in the wind. I got no problem. Let's touch her down. Okay, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's really windy. I don't know if you can see the leaves blowing around. Maybe the flag through the trees right there, but boy, it's blowing.